Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 13th, and this is my market recap video where we're going to take a quick look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community. Link is down here in the corner of this video and in the description. If you would like to check out my membership program, you do so by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Get you access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, this morning, actually a very, very slow day for gold so far. We are getting a pretty good pump right now because Trump is currently in the office talking about how he likely will be signing some tariff paperwork. Definitely could see some pretty dramatic volatility tonight. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. If we do bounce from this Fib level, if we do go down and break structure, it's likely to go down and make a wave C. I think there's a very good chance that even if it does push down, it's still just going to be a wave C and it's still going to end up going up later on. My new target for gold is right around $3,000 an ounce, which is the 261% Fibonacci extension on the daily weekly time frame. So definitely for me, I'm looking at anything I see to the downside. There's nothing more than a crutch into the uptrend. Even though I drew out this ABC crutch, and I wouldn't recommend going short because what could possibly happen is it might just end up going up and up and up and up. I would recommend doing nothing but looking for longs, just like I've been recommending doing nothing but looking for longs for the last several weeks on gold. The trend is definitely a friend, especially when gold is in an uptrend on the weekly, the monthly, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour time frame are all in uptrends. The last thing you want to do is go short when every single time frame is in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.